Good morning and welcome to the channel. I'm your host, John Daga, and with me behind the camera is Johnny. Morning, Johnny.
Morning.
Lovely Saturday morning here.
Yeah, it's getting a little bit later, but yeah.
Day before the storm.
Right.
So here today we have the 1957 Lancia B24S, S for Spider, convertible. This car is headed off to the Gooding auction in Monterey, Pebble Beach Week. It'll be at the no, it won't be. It'll be out by the Polo Grounds with Gooding. Catalog price is $325 to $375. It is selling without reserve. So you're going to see this video after the auction. So I'll let you know how much it does sell for. And so a little bit about the car. The Lancia Aurelias were really ahead of their time. This is a 57. It has an aluminum V6 engine in it with a single Weber carburetor. It has a 4-speed transaxle in the back with inboard drum brakes. It has hydraulic drum brakes on the front with a sliding pillar front suspension. This car has Pininfarina coachwork on it. It's absolutely beautiful. This car was spent its entire life until 2014 in Italy. It went through many owners in Italy. One gentleman had it for 30 years. It was then purchased by a prominent South Florida collector who commissioned the restoration in Italy. And it came to this country in 2017 and debuted at the Amelia Island Concours. So, Johnny, why don't you show our fans some of the details? All right, Johnny, you know what time it is?
Driving time?
It's driving time.
Look at that. You slid right in there.
Yeah, low entertainment factor today, but I think I could use your motorcycle helmet.
Yeah.
Check this out, just like a modern car. Push to start.
Look at that. I thought they just started that.
Now it's old as new again, Johnny. That's fourth gear.
Probably.
There we go.
There it is. There it is. Day to be riding in a convertible. Unless you're 6'2". Oh, okay.
Myself, I get the gangster theme going.
Right?
Absolutely beautiful out here this morning. You wouldn't know we had a hurricane coming up the coast.
Right.
Go here. Corvette.
He ain't ready. Definitely a nice car.
It's very well sorted. Apparently this car was in single ownership in Italy for about 56 years. And then it went under a refurbishment, which would explain why it's so freaking nice. Let's see if I can actually find second this time. First gear is obviously not synchronized.
This guy that stopped over here too.
Let's see if I can redeem myself.
There you go.
Single carburetor V6 is pretty peppy.
Why is that?
Last time I was in Rome, I noticed that they parked so tight on the streets that on the modern cars, they always got the mirrors folded in. So I probably figured they were going to get knocked off anyway, so why put them on?
Right. At least this one's got a rear view mirror, though.
Yeah, you can't see. The field of view is a little teeny. But I guess if you're like 5 foot. In the back, so this much like the 330 GTC or the Daytona. I think the box is fully synchronized except for first.
Yeah, it's really smooth, man.
Yeah, downshifts are effortless. Got good throttle response. Solid feel. Quiet. It's going to be a lovely touring vehicle. One thing I'd like to do before we say goodbye is I'd like to show the top operation. Because it does take two people, but it's a pretty cool piece. Tip the seats forward. Undo the cover.
Back. Oh yeah, you gotta get it in that. You gotta get up under that lift back there. There you go. Nice.
Alright, well, we hope you enjoyed our little video of our 1957 Lancia Aurelia B24. V6 engine, 4-speed transaxle. This car will be available at Monterey, and again, we'll let you know what she sells for afterwards. So, if you liked the video, give it a like. And if you haven't subscribed, subscribe to the channel so you know we come out with more cool cars. And we'll see you on the next one.
Well, here we are at Gooding on a Friday night, and here we find a beautiful Lancia.